In a world where every drop of blood counts, there are those who face a unique challenge: hemophilia. But what exactly is hemophilia, and why is it important to raise awareness about this condition? Firstly, hemophilia cannot be contracted. Rather, it is a condition inherited from birth, persisting throughout an individual's lifetime. It is an inherent aspect of those affected, akin to their hair, nose, or eyes. Hemophilia is a rare genetic disorder that impairs the body's ability to clot blood properly, leading to prolonged bleeding and spontaneous internal bleeding. There are approximately 400,000 people worldwide living with hemophilia. Here in the Philippines, there are 1,604 diagnosed cases of hemophilia, according to the World Federation of Hemophilia 2020 report. However, the actual prevalence of the disease might be at least 10 times higher based on a global estimate of 17.1 cases per 100,000 males. These statistics highlight the significant impact of hemophilia both in the Philippines and globally, emphasizing the need for improved care and support for individuals affected by this condition. But numbers alone cannot capture the true impact of hemophilia. Let's hear from those who live with this condition every day.
Napansin po ng parents ko na marami akong bruises, pangapasa sa katawan. So, dinala po nila ako sa doktor, pina-check up nila at sa mga test po, lumitaw po na may hemophilia ako. Hanggang second year high school lang po yung natapos ko kasi yung mga panahon na yun, madalas na po talaga mga bleeding ko sa tuhod. So, nahihirapan na po ako pumasok sa school. Naging member po ako ng Hemophilia Advocates Philippines noong April 2016. Nung na-home visit po ako ng mga kapwa patient ko dito sa bahay. Pagdating po nila, nagulat ako kasi wow sila, nakapagtrabaho sila, natapos nila yung mga pag-aaral nila. Bakit ako hindi ganun? Pero natuwa ako kasi nalaman ko na meron pala akong mga katulad na may sakit na ganito. So, simula po nung nakilala ko sila, nagkalakas na loob po ako to start a new life and para lumaban sa buhay po. Nag-training po ako sa virtualahan ng mga online skills like WordPress management, email management, social media management, and lead generation, and email marketing. Malaking bagay po talaga itong nagawa sa amin ng working online by virtualahan po. Kasi yung confidence nga po, di katulad dati na di ako makaharap sa ibang tao. Yun nga yung wala kang yung pagmamalaki na trabaho, ganun. Ngayon po, okay naman po yung trabaho. Kumikita po ako na now I can pay for the expenses. Nakakapagbayad na po ako ng kuryente bill namin sa kuryente, sa tubig po, and nakakapagbigay pa rin po ako sa mother ko. Hindi katulad dati na umaasa ako sa kanila. Hindi dahil sa nagkaroon ka ng hemophilia is hindi ka na pwedeng mangarap na wala ka ng karapatang mabuhay. Bagkus dapat gamitin mo to as strength to fight para magpatuloy. Hindi ka naman bibigyan ni Lord God ng karamdaman na hindi mo kayang labanan.
These stories remind us that behind every statistic is a person with hopes, dreams, and challenges. But there is hope. With proper treatment and support, individuals with hemophilia can live full and fulfilling lives. For our fellow Filipinos, let us join the call and echo our heartfelt sentiments to the government to pass the Bleeding Disorder Standards of Care of Act of 2017. This bill gives hope to Filipinos with hemophilia and other bleeding disorders by giving them access to care and free and equal treatment that they truly deserve. Together, we can make a difference. By raising awareness about hemophilia and advocating for better access to care and treatment, we can empower individuals with hemophilia to thrive. Join us in the fight against hemophilia. Together, we can create a world where every person, regardless of their medical condition, has the opportunity to live their best life. Because when we come together, anything is possible.